In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Notion page with others. Sharing a page in Notion is a simple but important skill, especially if you are collaborating with teammates, classmates, or clients. When you share a page correctly, you can control exactly who gets access and what they're allowed to do. Whether that means making edits, leaving comments, or just viewing the content. To begin, open the Notion page you want to share. Once you are on that page, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. This is where all of the sharing and access settings for that page are managed. After you click Share, you'll see a field labeled Add People, Groups, or Emails. In that field, type the person's name or their email address. If they're already part of your workspace, their name may appear as you type, which can make it faster to select the right person. If not, you can simply enter their email address directly to invite them. Once the person has been added, the next step is to choose their permission level. Next to their name, click the drop-down menu. This is where you decide how much access they should have to the page. You can choose full access if you want them to have complete control over the page. You can choose Can Edit if you want them to be able to make changes, but not fully manage everything. You can choose Can Comment if you only want them to leave feedback without changing the content, and if you want them to simply read the page, choose Can View. Take a moment here to choose the right permission level carefully. This part matters because it helps you avoid unwanted edits while still giving people the access they need. If you are sharing something important, it's always a good idea to double-check that you selected the correct option before sending the invitation. When everything looks right, click Invite. That will send them access to the page using the information you entered. Once they receive the invitation, they'll be able to open the page with the level of permission you assigned. And that's it. To share a Notion page with others, click Share. Enter the person's name or email in the Add People, Groups, or Emails field. Select the appropriate permission level from the drop-down and then click Invite. Once you've done it a few times, the process becomes quick and easy.